today's the day. Today's the day that Bill comes and picks up the bike. And it's my hope that he'll let me film him taking the bike for a ride, because he does not want to appear on YouTube again, and I can respect that. It's just he's just not comfortable with it. But I know that there's a lot of you guys out there that are heavily invested in this, emotionally, financially, and everything else. So I think you deserve to see at least the man be united with his machine and ride off into the sunset. So I'll try and capture as much as I can, and as much as he's comfortable allowing me to, and then we'll see where it goes from there. Stay tuned. He's about 20 minutes away. He let me film him. Oh, I'm so happy. Look at him sitting up there. You champion. I'll just pull up and make sure that he's okay. You okay?
Beautiful.
You happy? All right. Do you want to just ride up this road and meander around, and I'll follow you? Oh yeah, Bill. Just about brings a tear to my eye, I'll tell you. It's been a long road, but God, I'm happy to see him on that thing, and I just know that, you know, we're going to have plenty of he's going to have plenty of nice days ahead of him out enjoying his GS1000. He's looking for me, looking at me for a bit of direction, so oh, I love it. It's good for the soul, guys, and we've got you to thank for a lot of it, and all the people who have been following the series, everybody that's enjoyed the challenges and the journey that we did encounter. Thank you, and thank you for your patronage. See if we can get some sneaky footage. What do you reckon?
Beautiful.
Look at the smile. I love it.
The accelerator's a bit, you know, a little bit. I'll getting used to it though.
Yeah.
But
that's
yeah.
all it is. Just getting familiar with it, and
you thought it was all right?
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's good. It goes well, doesn't it?
Sounds nice, doesn't it?
Doesn't it?
Don't you go well too?
Yeah.
I was saying to Dad originally that you could ride this bike all day and not get tired on it.
No, I agree.
Yeah.
No, it's
New tyres
you've got them.
and a horn, and then you should be right for a rego. I mean, you got a license plate light, you got stop and tail and headlights and indicators. And
No, it goes lovely.
Yeah.
You've done a great job with it.
thank you. It's been a long journey, but
Well, I shouldn't.
I can't say that I haven't enjoyed it because I did.
Well,
I,
I hope you would say. I probably put too much on you in the first. You know.
No, I bloody hijacked the bastard. I'm not giving him this thing back, and he's not going to let me. You're not going to let me spend any money, so I'm just going to roll with it.
No,
we had to save her.
I can't thank you and the people enough actually for what you've done to it.
It's all good, mate.
It's beautiful.
And the guys that watch this, they get a lot out of it. So they get knowledge because a lot of them are doing their own thing with their own bikes and they're trying to learn. So for them, it's tuition.
Exactly.
A lot of people, though, it's just entertainment. Look at this buffoon.
Well,
and then there's a lot of people that.
Sorry. That's what I would put on it. You can't really see that too well, but it's a Suzuki sticker with a bordering tank sticker, and that would look good on that.
I mean, you guys can go and dream now about his bike, isn't it? He told me it was his bike.
You're not supposed to say that.
I'll probably get it anyway.
Not until you get a couple of good summers out of it, mate.
My wife and I, we've watched every video, you know, and she even. Brothers in South Australia, and now he went through all the episodes.
He's been watching it.
Oh, David.
He's been ringing us up and saying, I watched it again. So
that's good.
Well, Mum rang me up there one day at work. She said, David just rang me, there's another video on.
So yeah.
That's right, we're going to tear into a Ducati deal. I'm just happy that you're happy, Bill. That's all that matters.
I'm more than happy.
Good.
Andy.
Good.
Christmas has come too early for me.
Yeah. Well, you know you can get it ready now. Get it on the road. Go and enjoy it. And,
well, when I got here this morning, I was going to say there's one thing you forgot to put on it. Training wheels, but I don't need them.
No, you're right, mate. I'm in the mirror and I'm grinning like a Cheshire cat. Does the heart good?
Well, Mum said to me, she said, in the early days, your father could ride a bike, so I don't know what he's worried about, she said.
No, the only thing I was a little bit, you know, but I'm starting.
Is it a bit ropey for you? Or?
Well, I put now and then, but I'm starting to get used to it.
Yeah. It's just the idiosyncrasies of that.
Yeah.
Bike.
So.
You'll get used to it.
Yeah.
Get some comfortable grips that you're comfortable with.
Definitely. Yeah, no, it's good though, eh?
Yeah.
Bloody oath.
Beautiful. I can't get over the sound of it.
Yeah.
No.
Runs beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's and they sound unique. The GS, they got their own noise.
I'll tell you, if you put a gear sack pannier on the back, it should be a great touring bike.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, my word.
Yeah.
Great touring bike.
You reckon Mum will get on the back?
Well, she used to get on the back when we were young and silly.
Yeah. Well, that's it. It's gone. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And I'll catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Sessions. Bye for now.